What's up, guys? Good evening, everyone. By the way, this is Carl Studio, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight we will having a video, or we will be eating some Filipino street foods. So it's like Filipino street food mukbang. So my wife is now preparing in the kitchen. For all the foods that we are going to eat. I'm very excited. I'm very hungry because I didn't have my lunch. So, guys, spare your time with me. Hope you will like this video, guys, and you will be eating, you know, traditional Filipino street foods from like tempura, kwek kwek, fish balls, squid rolls. So I'm very excited, guys. So by the way, I think I can smell the aroma of all the street foods, and I think my wife is also preparing some the sauces as well. Just to give you an idea, guys, one of the best sauces, especially for the street food that I have ever tasted, is the sauce that my wife prepared. So I think she do normally put some vinegar, sugar, a bit of salt, and then caramelized onion, and then some. I think, as I've mentioned, I think there's some ketchup already. So again, I just want to say thank you to my wife for all the love and support each and every day to me. So are you excited, guys? So I think in few minutes the food will be served. So I'm very excited. Okay.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. Food is now ready to eat. So I think food is here already. Here. Let me go a little bit. Okay, guys. So here is the food, the Filipino street food. I think it's really amazing. It's really appetizing. Wow, it's one of my favorite, guys. So again, this is it. So I'm very excited. I'm hungry. So let's eat now. Okay, so I think we'll start with the quick quick. So I think one of the favorite street food that I have. I think most of the Filipino street food are my favorites, but quick quick is uh, has a unique taste because it has quail eggs. And by the way, guys, the coating of this one is flour and added some food coloring. So let's try this one. And by the way, guys, this is the sauce that my wife prepared. By the way, I think it's a bit spicy. There's some chili in it, some onion. I think there's acidic aroma on this sauce. So I think there's some calamansi also here, calamansi seeds included. So let's try. So I'll just eat it in my bare hands, guys. Wow. Wow, it's really good. Wow. It's really like creamy because of the quail egg, and at the same time crispy because of the flour. I think it's deep fried. This is deep fried. And then I think it's properly seasoned. I think the flour is properly seasoned. And then the quail egg is really amazing. It's really fresh, and just in a perfectly cooked, not overcooked, not undercooked. So it's really perfect, guys. So I'm excited to eat one more of this. Yeah, and the sauce. This sauce is really fantastic. It's really really good. It has with a perfect sourness, sweetness, acidity, um, a little bit spicy, and the characteristics of the onion incorporated with the sauce. And there's the aroma of the chilies being chopped is really fresh, very fragrant. So I think this sauce is really outstanding. So let's try to Google what is really where is it what is kwek kwek all about. Or so by the way, kwek kwek, so as I've searched in the Wikipedia, um It's called tok neneng, or it's one of the variety of the tok neneng. So tok neneng is a tempura like Filipino street food made by deep frying orange batter covered with hard-boiled eggs. So a popular variation of tok neneng. So basically tok neneng is like the normal egg or the chicken egg, and then coated with a battered orange batter covered the hard-boiled eggs. But here, but kwek kwek is different because the egg came from a quail's egg. So I think the taste is the intensity of the quail's egg compared to a normal hard-boiled egg is really more delicious, I would say. I think it's just based on my preference. Okay, so that's uh, kwek kwek. So the next street food that you are going to eat is the typical tempura, as you can see, guys. So I'm excited to dip this one with the sauce. It's really good. Oh. Tempura, guys, never fail to delight me when it comes to flavor, when it comes to taste. And just to give you an idea, guys, if I will eat tempura normally outside or in some street areas, maybe I can finish like I can spend like 50 to 80 pesos alone. So I can eat worth 80 pesos of tempura in the market. So that's how I love tempura. So let's search what is tempura. Tempura. So tempura is a Japanese dish usually containing seafood or vegetable that have buttered and deep fried. So basically, this one is like fish tempura. And then stated here in the Wikipedia, so even seafood or vegetables deep fried with butter, coated with butter is called tempura. So it's basically a Japanese dish, and then the dish was influenced by the fritter cooking techniques introduced by the Portuguese residing in Nagasaki in the 16th century, and the name tempura relates to that origin. Okay, so knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Okay, next stuff here. I think we have here the squid balls. So this is a squid balls. Let's try this one. A bit gooey than the tempura. It has more fishy or seafoody smells. There's an aftertaste of something like a very seafoody flavor than the tempura, but it's really nice. But I think compared to tempura, I like more of the tempura rather than this squid ball. But still really good. And then the sauce is really fantastic. So spend your time with me. You can visit me here at the house and help me eat this Filipino street food. This is heaven for me. This one is the fish ball. So I think it's more on a cheap style of cutting, and this one is the squid ball is I think round shape. This one is more on cheap style. So let's try this one as well. It's a bit rubbery. It's almost the same taste with tempura and squid ball. So I think combining squid ball and tempura, you can have the taste of this fish bowl. A bit bland in taste, but still okay. But for me, I think I found this one very rubbery. Or good. It's still okay. Really good. So the last street food is squid rolls. So this one, it has some vegetables like carrots and some green vegetables here. So let's try this one. Mm. Mm. I think the 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 vegetables are there. You can really feel the vegetables, the taste of the vegetables, the carrots and the green vegetables, and then the taste is more on the same with the tempura. But I think this is more like tastier than the tempura. But I think this is more expensive than the tempura, guys. But it's really good. It's really good, and I think one of the I think of all the Filipino street food, this is the this is the most favorite of my son Carlo Nino. Mm. Ang ganda. Mm. It's really delicious. I'm loving this. So I think if you ask me, guys, what is the most delicious street food among these foods here in front of me, I think the best one for me, I think the most delicious for me right now is the tempura, and then next is the kwek kwek, followed by this squid rolls, then is the next is the squid balls, and then last is the fish balls. So my top one is tempura, so it's really good. So I think let's try eating this one without the sauce. So because maybe tempura is just really complementing the sauce, that's why maybe it's really good. But let's try eating these foods uh, without a sauce. Okay. Mm. It's very delicious without sauce. Because I think it's already properly seasoned already, so a bit salty, sweet, creamy, buttery. So this one, see, this one without sauce, the quack quack. Mm. So I think quack quack is really dependent on on the sauce. It's still very good, but I think it's no. You can just only taste the egg, the typical taste of the egg, closed egg. But I think this is a sauce dependent food, especially in this kind of sauce. Let's try the squid roll. Well, I would like to reiterate again, tempura is more delicious than squid rolls. Let's try the squid ball. Yeah. When you eat this one, I think the aroma of the seafoods will really pop up to your nose. But the taste, I think this is a bit without a sauce. I think this is better than the squid roll, or maybe it's just the brand that I have. The brand maybe is just, maybe it depends on the brand also. And if what brand are you buying for some squid rolls? Maybe it depends as well. Try this one as well. This one. Just okay. So I think guys, I think this if of all the foods here that we eat without a sauce, I think this can stand alone without sauce. This is really delicious. And then next is this one, then the quail egg. So it has different, scale if you mix it with the sauce and without the sauce. So let's eat this one now. Mm. Again, this sauce completes the Filipino street foods. This complements all the Filipino street foods here. That's why, again, as what I have said to you guys from the very beginning, this is the most delicious sauce I have ever tasted, complementing the Filipino street foods. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to have some comment, please put your comment below here. You can also message there in your comment that anything that you want me to do as well. So it will be greatly appreciated, guys. So guys, I think I will invite my kids, my wife, to eat here with me, because to be honest with you, I cannot really finish this all because this is too much for me. Again, I would like to say thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to to like it, and then have your comments below and subscribe if you like to see more videos. And again, a huge thanks to my wife for everything. Thank you for preparing this delicious Filipino street food. And above all, thank you to our Almighty Father for loving us unconditionally. Thank you to those people who support me and accept me for who I am. So again, guys, thank you so much, and may you have a great evening. Thank you. Bye bye.